If you ever see a doorbell like this, don't press it.
Bro, why does it look like it's waiting to bite?
I'll tell you. But first, if you think this kitten is adorable, like and subscribe. This poor dog was found with a broken leg, limping alone, scared, and in pain. If you're the kind of person who cares, drop a heart and a sad emoji in the comments. May this soul finally find safety and love. Now, back to that doorbell. They say some were made to trap thieves, but if you push this one, it won't just chime. It bites, and it won't let go.